He land down on me.
Sorry.
Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne lines and me put an end to you. I walked out this morning, I wrote down the song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times that I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Down on me, Jesus, you gotta help me to make a stand. Just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days and I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times and I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. So I've been walking on by to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows the cold wind blows like to turn your head around. All these hours of time on telephone, right, just talking about things to come. Sweet dreams are flying machines, pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire, I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times but I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you somehow one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. The test of your face. see you, but I see you fire and rain. But I'd see you just one more time, Suzanne.